Hello guys, good morning. So I'm just getting out of the house this morning to come to the store to buy some things for my baby's food that he loved eating. We don't have them at home anymore. So I said let me come to this big shopping mall, Conant, to come and get everything. So let me start this vlog. Hope you guys are fine. Alright, see you back soon. I want carton because we have the core carton. I'm going to have this thing. This. No, this is also merenda. Oh, it's funny. So merenda, not a biscuit. Banana. Korea and me.
Lei che è quella che ha fatto la scelta per questo aspetto.
Hey guys, that is all that I got. So I went back to my wallet to check how much I have left. So I checked, I just have 20 euro and some coins because I go at this morning with 120 euro. I said, okay, let me come and see what I bought. I look at it again, I was like, is this what I got? For almost 100 euro. So I look at my receipts. The second shop that I went to, this is the receipt. I don't know if it is focus. I spent 19 euro 88 cents. Conant. I spent 72 euro 74 cents. Plus these two together, I give you 93 euro. 93 euro As in, when I look at what I got, I would just say, wow, this is what I bought for 93 euro. Wow. I know I bought something for my baby. I beg, if anyone is thinking to have kids this time around, think about it, think it through thoroughly. When I say thoroughly, because baby food is increasing every day. Don't know if I will cry or I will just be smiling, or I will just smile. Things are increasing in this Europe. They are adding 20 cents, 50 cents. I don't know if it is every month or every 6 months or every 3 months. They are adding all this money for us, but it's just adding up. All the money we are working here, we are also spending them here. Well, we thank God that we have the money to spend. God is good. Alright guys, I will see you guys when shall I see you.
You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy.